Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It was narrated from Hazrat Umar bin al-Khattab radhiyallahu anhu that one day we were present in the service of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That suddenly a person appeared in front whose clothes were very white and whose hair was very black. There was no visible effect of travel on this person, but we all were also unfamiliar with him. He proceeded with great respect, passing through the circle of those present, and came to the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and sat down on his knees, and joined both his knees with the knees of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and placed his hands on the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam thighs, and asked, "O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, tell me what Islam is." He said, "Islam is that you bear witness that there is none worthy of worship but Allah, and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his messenger. Offer prayer, pay zakat, fast in the month of Ramadan, and perform Hajj to the house of Allah if you can afford it." After hearing the answer of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, this new questioner said, "You have spoken the truth." Hazrat Umar says, "We were very surprised that this person is asking the question and confirming it himself." After that, the stranger said, "Tell me what is faith?" He said, "Faith is that you know and believe in the truth of Allah and His angels, His revealed books, His messengers, and the last day, and also know the truth of the fate of every good and evil, and believe it even after hearing this." He has said, "You have spoken the truth." After that he asked, "Tell me what is kindness?" He said, "Kindness is to worship Allah as if you were seeing Him, and if you do not pass this situation, then Allah Ta'ala is surely watching you." This person said, "Tell me about the occurrence of the day of resurrection." He said, "The answerer is not more knowledgeable about it than the questioner." He said, "Then tell me some signs of the day of judgment." He said, "When their mistresses and masters are burned from slaves, and when you see a shepherd with bare body, bare feet, and empty hands, they start big buildings and start descending on them. Then understand that the hour is near." After this inquiry, that person left with permission. I stayed there for some time, so the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked me, "O Umar, you know who the questioner was?" I said, "Only Allah and His Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam know best." He said, "He was Jibril, and he came to your assembly to teach you your religion."